हाय बच्चों। तो अब हम बनाने वाले हैं के इज फॉर काइट। लेट्स ड्रॉ काइट। काइट बनाने जा रहे हैं हम। काइट। के इज फॉर काइट। One line, two line, three lines, four line. K is for cat. K is for kite. Let's draw kite. First and then second, third. K is for kite. Kite. And this word is dot. Kite. The beautiful kite. K is for kite. Let's kite. K is for kite. This is a kite. And now this is a kite. K for kite. Subscribe.